may
Mas maganda nga yung naririnig yung boss mo, ikaw talagang kumakanta. Okay, basta.
Ay, yung ano
Ang
na
ganda
lang,
ng-
yung ano na lang, yung walang salita, tapos yung
Instrumental. Oh. Practice muna, tapos mamaya patutugtugin natin instrumental. Okay.
Ay. Ubus na ng palba.
Oh, bakit kailangan ba nakapolvo pag kumanta? Ay, oily yung mukha mo pagka pawis ka.
Okay na?
Okay na, sa may bandang ilong.
Okay na?
Ang puti. Kuskusin mo mabuti.
Pasasin mo. And tell you. Maganda kaya tayo may ganun eh. Para
Hindi.
ma-makeup eh.
Huli ka na. Okay na yan. Magiging pasol ka na naman eh.
I tell you.
Sige, kanta. Ay!
I can live.
I can live.
I can live. I can love. I can reach the heaven above. I can right what is wrong. I can see just and strong. I can dance. I can fly. Touch the rainbow in the sky. I can be your good friend. I can love you until the end.
What took you so long to make me see how lucky I am that I am free? Free to do. Oh. Mali yata yung lyrics. Friends ba? Nakalagay friend lang yun eh.
I can friend.
Good friend lang, hindi good friends. Okay na.